Hi, this is Mr. Tarek Salman, a math teacher. In this video, I will show you the equation of a parabola, how to use that in the SAT exam, for the SAT exam. Okay, the equation of the parabola usually is y equal ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are the coefficients of the parabola. But instead, we prefer another form of the parabola, y equal a bracket x minus h power 2 plus k, where I of coordinate h, k is the vertex, the extremum of the parabola. Okay, let me show you that in the Geogebra activity. In the first activity here, I have, this is a parabola, the general form y equal a x minus h squared plus k. Okay, the vertex is hk, so it will be 2 and minus 3. Let me change the coordinate of I here to show you how the parabola change the form. Okay, so I put here 3 for example, and here 1. You see the extremum will be 3, h is 3, and k is 1. Okay, now I fixed the value of a, and I change also another time the coefficient. Let me put here minus 2 and minus 5 for example, minus 4 for example. Here the extremum is x plus 2, the equation minus 2, so x plus 2, so the coordinate is minus 2, and the ordinate of the vertex is minus 4. Okay, now let me change the value of a. If I take here 2, if I take 3, you see the form does not change, and all times this parabola has a minimum. But if I put a as a negative value, for example minus 2, so you see that you have a maximum. So the sign of a precises the nature of the parabola, if the nature of the vertex, if the vertex is a maximum or minimum. Okay, let me show you another activity. Here I take an activity. This is a parabola. This one is the vertex is 1, 0, so the equation will be y equal x minus 1 plus 0. Okay, a is 3 is positive, so the extremum is a minimum. Okay, let me animate the value of h. Okay, first let me take here for example 1, 1, and animate the value of h here. Okay, stop. Here is the parabola is 3x minus, the extremum is 4, 1, so the form of the parabola y equal a x minus h squared plus k, where h and k are 4 and 1. The extremum is 4 and 1. Continue. Okay, here is x plus 2 squared, the extremum is minus 2, 1, so x plus 2 squared, because minus h plus 1. Okay, and now let me fix h, okay, and move k, animate k. Okay, 1 second, because the GeoGebra do the animation of h and k at the same time. Let me stop the value of k, and now I move only k, not h. Okay, you see that the extremum change. Okay, this is a translation over y prime or y of the coordinate of the vector of translation is kj. Okay, x minus 1, the extremum is minus 1, minus 3, so 3 bracket x plus 1 squared minus 3, because y of the extremum is minus 3. Okay, let me change the value here. if I stop here is x plus 1 squared plus 1 because the ordinate of the extreme is 1. Let me now move the value of a, change the value of a and take a negative value. Okay, when I take negative value, you get another form of the parabola with maximum. So a is the sign of the sign of a gives the nature of the vertex, if it's maximum or minimum. Okay. Don't forget to visit my website tareksalman.blogspot.com, and if you want to subscribe or reserve your place at Quest, I give you the phone number, and the places are limited, and we take only 5 students or to 7 students per group, and almost we are full to now. Have a nice day.